tell me, when you're prospecting and looking to make this appointment with a new person, does the result of the call actually matter to you? Does it matter to you whether you make an appointment? Okay, well, in that case, if it matters to you, it should be impossible for you to sit down. Because if the result of something matters to you, what chemical ingredient is pumping in your system? Adrenaline. And if you've got adrenaline pumping in your system, you can't sit down. You have to be standing up and moving around. So if you are able to prospect sitting down, we have a problem, because the result of the call doesn't matter to you. Even now in my consultancy, if I actually am calling a client or a client calls me, I'm immediately on my feet. But I also believe that you can actually do better, because if you want to make referrals a natural consequence of your business as often as possible, you need to put some steps in your process to program your clients for referrals. Building blocks which create the expectation of referrals on the part of both yourself and the client. Okay? So that's what I'm going to share with you, is what are those steps that I have integrated into my initial advice process which create that result at least roughly 50% of the time.